We will have
Oh my God!
And to show you how strong the front flippers are, our sea lion friends here would love to show it to you. Ready? Take three! Wow! Look at that! And that's what we call strength. Last difference is the hind flipper or the back flippers. Yeah? Ate Claudio, can you please come down over here? And show to our guests. Where are your back flippers? Aha, that's the back flippers that rotates, making moving on land very easy. Just like this. And you know what? Seals are great in the water. But on land, they move just a little bit funny. Since we're in Emirates Park Zoo, we don't have a seal. Our sea lion friends here would have to imitate a seal. So everybody, would you like to see our sea lion friends imitating a seal?
Yeah!
Okay, let's go. Show them a seal. That's a seal, alright? Now show them how a seal looks. See? I told you. A little bit funny on land. Good job, sea lion friends. How about a round of applause for Pia, Arthur, and Claudio for demonstrating to us the difference between a seal and a sea lion. And now, it's time for... Welcome everyone to the headquarters of the Sea Lion People Patrol, where the proud, the brave, the beautiful. Hi, hello everyone, good afternoon, and welcome to Emirates Park Zoo. By the way, my name is Jen, and today you are going to learn a little while having fun with some of the amazing creatures of the sea, which is our sea lion friends. And now it's time for me to introduce to you our sea lion friends, together with the trainers, one at a time. Here with me is the biggest sea lion that we have here, and his name is Arthur. And on my right side, her name is Pia, together with trainer Dinette. And on my left side, his name is Claudio, together with trainer Jackie. And our sea lion friends are very friendly, and they love to give you a friendly wave hello. Sea lion friends, say hi, Claudio.
Hi!
Hi, everyone.
Hi!
Wave back to our sea lion friends. They sure they love that. Great. Looks like Arthur is very happy to meet you this afternoon. Right, Arthur? Are you happy? Sea Lion Sleeper Patrol. But to become member of the Sleeper Patrol, you must be strong and physically fit. But there's no problem with our sea lion friends, because they are a sea lion and not a true seal. Now, maybe you are wondering what is the difference between a seal and a sea lion. Let me explain to you. First, you have to take a look.
Training technique. Have you heard about it? Yeah? It's actually a reward system, okay? So every time our sea lions do something good, they get a reward, and their favorite reward is fish. That's right. But here at Emirates Park Zoo, it's not just only fish that we give them. We also give them lots of positive attention, like giving them a good rub down like this. Yay! Or sometimes simply just giving them their favorite place. Turn. So again, the target pole is what they're going to follow. Here we go. Turn. Woo. Very nice. Now that they know how to follow the target pole, we then take it away and then switch to hand signal. Ready? Yep. 1, 2, 3, turn! Alright, and every time they do the correct behavior, we tell them good with the clicker and the whistle. Okay? Check this out. Flipper? This one? Via, flipper? Alright, let's... Okay, here we go. And then she gets the clicker, the sound from the clicker, and then she gets the reward. So that is positive reinforcement training technique here at Emirates Park Zoo. Alright, so now it's time for the two sea lions to get into the pool so that we can show to you some of the natural behaviors that sea lions do out in the wild. Now watch very carefully as they use their front flippers to actually glide them themselves gracefully into the water. Sea lions, they can swim to a speed of 19 kilometers per hour. But they can also swim as fast. Get ready, Claudia? Alright, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Quick! Very nice! And look at them go. That is what you call the speed swim. Now another behavior that they do out in the water,